As of late, most of my videos have been about extremely rough homes in poor condition, and we do buy a lot of those, but we also buy a lot of homes that really just need a facelift. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath townhouse in the heart of Salem, Virginia. If you watch our other videos, you know that this place is in extremely good condition compared to most of the places we buy. So when I say we buy homes in any condition, I literally mean that. I mean homes like this that need mainly cosmetic upgrades, and homes like the other ones we're working on currently that need every single thing done to it. As far as what we're gonna do here, I'll show you right now. The whole house is gonna be painted. There's gonna be new floors here, all new light fixtures. This is the living room and the dining room. As far as the bathroom goes, new floors, new lighting, new toilet. And here, we're gonna carpet the bedrooms, give them a nice warm feeling. Of course, paint, lights. Master bedroom, same thing. Gonna do new carpet in here, paint, new lights, and then it's got the master bath as well, which will be updated. Only thing left is, oh, check out this massive closet, by the way. And then we have this kitchen here. These cabinets are in really good condition, and I like them. We are replacing these with quartz, right, Dad? Quartz? Yep. Yeah, quartz countertops. We just bought those yesterday. They'll be installed on the 26th, be all new appliances, and we'll do backsplash as well. Also has a utility room with washer, dryer, water heater off the kitchen. It's worth mentioning the house also has a pretty large back deck, a storage area back here, and spots to park 2 vehicles, or even 4 if you don't mind getting boxed in. Already got the trailer here. Here's the kicker. We're gonna get this thing completely turned around and upgraded in just 4 weeks. So follow along. I'll try to do a video update each week. The changes are gonna be very visible. And thank y'all for watching. As always, if you know anyone who needs to sell a house, text me 540-527-2000. And if you have any questions about this place or any of our other projects, comment or text me. I'd be happy to answer them.